Hey, this is Peter, and a big hello to you all. This is really a privilege for me to tell you about the Scratch in Advance about Cryptocurrency course. This course will teach you to trade cryptocurrency for the short term and making profits. In 2021, Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market have reached all-time highs, both in value and greed. This means that the opportunities to make daily profits are better than ever. This course and the included comprehensive complete cryptocurrency Excel dashboard exercise file is a roadmap for your personal and technical finance cryptocurrency success. All of the tools you need to be successful with cryptocurrencies are included in this course, and the entire course is based on real-life practical knowledge and experience and not based on theory. Why course cryptocurrency? Anonymity is one of the important advantages provided by cryptocurrency. You don't need to reveal your identity. It is in digital form so that it can be carried away anywhere without fear of theft, robbery. You only need to store it in your personal wallet, or you have to remember the keys that are it. Lower transaction fees, fast processing of payments. With cryptocurrency, you are in charge. No one can take your money away from you unless you lose it yourself. Who should go for this course? People from all domain, profession, and industry can go for this course. Anyone who wants to learn cryptocurrency trading, technical analysis, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, who wants to know what cryptocurrency is and how it works, who wants to buy and profit from cryptocurrency ICOs, wanting the best tactics for trading cryptocurrency. What are the career benefits of course? You'll learn the essential components of technology-driven financial strategies, from complex regulations to cryptocurrency to portfolio optimization. You'll also learn how modern investment strategies deploy technology to produce optimal results, explore the disruptive force of changing payment methods, analyze the changing regulatory landscape, and gain a deeper understanding of robo-advising, crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, and blockchain. By the end of this specialization, you'll be able to make informed decisions about deploying financial technologies for yourself or for your business, giving you a competitive advantage in using the latest financial innovations. What is the process to appear in the examination of accredited body? There is no as such accreditation body for cryptocurrency course. Once you complete the course, you will be awarded Certificate of Completion. And to get the Certificate of Excellence, you will have to go through an online test conducted by MindCypress.